Greetings, art enthusiasts! Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of geometric art. Let's start by using a 0.5mm technical pen to draw two lines at the center of your paper, each precisely 30 centimeters long. Make sure they cross at the exact center and at their midpoint. Accuracy is crucial at this stage. Switch to an HB pencil. Make marks every 5 mm on both sides of the lines. These marks will guide us in the upcoming steps, so keep them neat and clear. Know someone who would appreciate the beauty of geometric art? Share this video with your friends, family, or fellow art enthusiasts. Let's grow our art as family and inspire more people to explore their creative side together. Hit that share button, and let's spread the joy of art. Moving forward, use the 0.5mm technical pen again. Connect points B to C with a line, and then shift to connect D to E. This establishes the foundation for our geometric pattern. Continue the same method to complete the first angle. Pay close attention to detail, ensuring your lines are clean for a polished, professional appearance. As we let our artistic journey unfold, let's take a moment to explore the power of precision in art. Geometric patterns teach us the beauty of attention to detail, turning a simple sketch into a masterpiece. Speaking of precision, how do you usually tackle the finer details in your art? Share your tips in the comments. Now, let's replicate this success. Repeat the process for the remaining 3 angles. Consistency is key to achieving a cohesive geometric pattern. Ever wonder about the cultural significance of geometric art? Many civilizations throughout history have embraced geometric patterns in their art and architecture. What cultural influences inspire your artwork? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's celebrate the rich tapestry of art. Artist Squad, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you become a part of our vibrant artistic community, and you won't want to miss the creative journeys we embark on together. So, hit subscribe and join us for more exciting artistic adventures. In the final step, take your eraser and carefully remove the pencil markings. This adds a finishing touch, leaving you with a pristine masterpiece of clean, finished lines. And there you have it. Your geometric creation is complete. Remember to like this video, subscribe for more artistic content, and share your masterpiece with the world. Art is family, your creativity fuels this channel. I want to see your artistic endeavors too. Use the hashtag artist and share your creations on social media. Let's turn this into a two-way street of inspiration. Your art might even get featured in our next video.